Welcome to this chapter overview from Aviation Human Factors, Theory, Research, and Applications for Advanced Aviation Systems by Ziakkas and Pechlivanis, CRC Press. This presentation introduces Chapter 5, Teamwork, Communication, and Non-Technical Skills. Why does this chapter matter? Because qualified individuals only become a safe crew through non-technical skills. The chapter examines the skills that determine whether a group of individually competent professionals constitutes an effective aviation team. Communication, coordination, and shared awareness are not peripheral to safety. They are its primary mechanism. By the end of the chapter, you will be able to evaluate the 5 functions of flight deck communication, analyze the 6th-generation development of crew resource management, evaluate shared mental models and interactive team cognition, appraise the authority gradient concept, apply the threat and error management framework to LOSA data, and evaluate Hofstede's power distance dimension in multicultural crews. The chapter unfolds in 6 moves: communication in aviation systems, crew resource management, team coordination and shared mental models, leadership, followership, and authority gradients, threat and error management, and cross-cultural and multicultural crew issues. The one idea to hold on to: non-technical skills are not peripheral to aviation safety. They are its primary mechanism. Communication, coordination, and shared awareness are what convert individual competence into collective performance. The spotlight concept is crew resource management itself, 6 generations moving from cockpit to crew and from behavioral training to threat and error management. Shared mental models keep everyone flying the same picture, and flattening the authority gradient ensures the junior voice can reach the captain. The case that ties the chapter together is Avianca Flight 052, a crew that ran out of fuel because no one said the word emergency loudly enough. Authority gradient and communication failure worked through in full inside the chapter. From theory to practice, 3 habits. Treat every briefing as a shared mental model construction exercise, not a checklist confirmation. When you notice a developing problem your captain has not acknowledged, use the 5-step assertive communication sequence, starting with a clear statement of your observation. And after every loft session, audit your own cross-monitoring. On how many critical events did you actually make a call? That is Chapter 5. Teamwork, communication, and non-technical skills. Qualified individuals only become a safe crew through non-technical skills. Read the full chapter in Aviation Human Factors, Ziakkas and Pechlivanis, CRC Press, 2026. Thank you for watching.